So what we wanted to do is take the TRD sedan one notch up from the production vehicles.
TRD to me is an authentic performance philosophy. It's a perfect chance for us to kind of elevate the performance in certain areas, but also keep the quality and durability. We want a customer to be delighted by that performance and also surprised by how good these vehicles are.
One of the challenges with TRD Camry is that the Camry is such an aggressive vehicle already. We did turn up the volume quite a bit, and it was really rewarding to get such an aggressive feeling out of an already aggressive vehicle.
I think the exhaust sound, the catback exhaust on initial startup, that sets it apart from what you would hear on a traditional production vehicle.
You can also go to the track and enjoy increased braking performance, great handling, as well as get the good styling and kind of all the key features that you're looking for.
Because it's always a really exciting thing to be a part of an enthusiast-based vehicle. The TRD name, when it's put on a vehicle, they're special vehicles and everyone's proud to own it.